What we know is a drop, what we don't know is an ocean. Live your life is an exclamation rather than an explanation. Truth is ever to be found in the simplicity and not in the multiplicity and confusion of things. Atheism is so sinless. When I look at the solar system, I see the earth at the right distance from the sun to receive the proper amounts of heat and light. This did not happen by chance. If I have seen further than others, it is by standing upon the shoulders of giants. Gravity explains the motion of planets, but it cannot explain who set the planets in motion. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. I know not how I seem to others, but to myself I am but a small child wandering upon the vast shores of knowledge, every now and then finding a small bright pebble to content myself with while the vast ocean of undiscovered truth lay before me. Tact is the art of making a point without making an enemy. No great discovery was ever made without a bold guess. I can calculate the motion of heavenly bodies, but not the madness of people. All my discoveries have been made in answer to prayer. He who thinks half-heartedly will not believe in God, but he who really thinks has to believe in God. Truth is the upspring of silence and meditation. To arrive the simplest truth requires years of contemplation. My powers are ordinary, only my application bring me success. A man may imagine things that are false, but he can only understand things that are true. For if the things be false, the apprehension of them is not understanding. You have to make the rules, not follow them. When two forces unite, their efficiency double. Plato is my friend, Aristotle is my friend, but my greatest friend is truth. If I have ever made any valuable discoveries, it has been due more to passion attention than to any other talent. If others would think as hard as I did, then they would get similar results.